And here's an update on this most recent Honda Harmony that I got, the Harmony Model 215 SX. The one that the owner had bought a home, and this lawnmower was in the shed and he just got rid of it. I think he made no attempt to even try to start this, to even use it. He just bought another one and this started right up. In really nice condition. Looked like it had a new air filter in it. I changed the oil in this and gave it a good cleaning. I'm not sure of the exact year of this lawnmower, but this is of course one with the plastic type body, would never rust. And it has a blade control, a throttle, and 2-speed transmission, and all that works just fine. Just took me a little bit to figure out how to press that button and engage the blade. Don't get very many Hondas like this with blade control. Very nice condition. Excuse the shadow. But it had looked like a new air filter in it when I showed the first video. Looks like some paint may have gotten spilled here. I tried to get some of that off, but didn't want to mess the cover up on it. Model SX. Only thing I haven't done is I haven't sharpened the blade on this, but I cleaned out from underneath, and of course this is all plastic as well, and it won't rust. And it's got that dual blade on here. Overhead valve engine. Overall in very nice condition. So let's give this Honda Harmony 215 its final start here. And here's the back of this lawnmower. Cleaned this up as well. And don't get any rust with plastic. I got a very similar lawnmower like this before. It was the HRM Harmony 215, and the engine was locked up on it. They ran it out of oil. I was able to get that engine freed back up, and it ran great. But the self-propelled did not work on it. And we'll see how easy this starts today. Give it a little bit of choke here. Don't have to hold the handle down. It's got blade control. Here we go. Started right up. Let it warm up a little bit. Not burning any oil. Amazing how well these run. And we'll engage the blade control. There we go. And we'll put it in gear. Nice lawnmower. My second gear. Works well. Cuts very nicely. nice Harmony 215 Honda.